Hey guys, what's up? So we're back at it again with some news and technical analysis. So to start things off, we have this ascending triangle, or actually symmetrical triangle. And according to this, we've broken out, retested it, and it could be a confirmed retest from this 1 day candle. Um, but we could, come back down and touch it at 68K and maybe trade back in it a little bit. But right now, it actually looks like a confirmed breakout of this triangle, and we could be seeing new all-time highs soon. Another chart that I have right here is this one where we're trading this channel and this descending trend line kind of. So according to this, we could come back down and test 66K and even 60K if we break down below 60K, 66K. Or we could just come up, retest 73K and break above it, make new all-time highs, confirm the support, and yeah, I'm just not sure which one's more likely right now, honestly. So yeah, that's just a little bit of TA on Bitcoin. But right now, shorts and longs are like neck and neck. A little bit more longs than shorts. So people are anticipating slightly more people are anticipating it going up. But if we take a look at the liquidation heat map, it tells us a little bit different story. It tells us that we have more shorts, or more longs actually, because if the price comes down, the longs are going to get liquidated. So we have a bit more longs than shorts. You can tell by the darker colors, or the brighter colors, being more longs than the uh, darker-ish colors, right? So if we come down to 69K, we got a bit of longs getting liquidated. And if we come up to about 70K, 300, a bit of shorts getting liquidated. So, and this is a new chart that I found out. So this tells us the average mining cost of 1 Bitcoin. So this chart tells us when Bitcoin is basically overvalued and undervalued compared to the mining costs. So we can see last bull market top, it cost 22K about to mine a 60K Bitcoin. So that was clearly overvalued, and that was a great indicator of the top. And it came back up a little bit when Bitcoin went down, but it was still overvalued a little bit, right? But still went up to another double top. And then we can see in the bear market bottom at 16K, it cost 21K to mine 16K. So that's when it was heavily undervalued and the price bottomed out, right? So now we come up to this halving, we can see it cost about 75K, 80K-ish. June 1st, that's when it was 81K to mine 67K Bitcoin. So that's how it was undervalued, right? Because it cost more to mine. So it was undervalued. Yeah, so it was undervalued because it cost more to mine, and the price would have to rise also because of the halving. And let's go back to 2017. It cost 4K to mine 16K Bitcoin. So that's when it was heavily overvalued because it cost way less to mine. Essentially, you're getting a lot more money for the electricity costs. And then the bottom, it cost almost 5K. Yeah, over 5K right here, 6K to mine 4K. That's when it was heavily undervalued. And clearly the price rose. And it took a while for the cost to equal out, but yeah, this is just an interesting chart that I'm going to be looking at more to see, because it clearly shows the tops and bottoms and overvalued and undervalued prices. So, yeah, but let's just get into some news. So we got Bitcoin inflation now 75% less than current US rate post halving. A little bit weirdly worded, but basically it means that Bitcoin is deflationary, and clearly this is compared to gold's issuance rate. So Like we already knew Bitcoin was more valuable than gold. It's nothing really new, but yeah, weird article there. So we got Tokyo, a Tokyo listed Metaplanet. So it's some stock in Tokyo, right? Plans to buy Bitcoin for its treasury. What a surprise. Not really. Clearly, Bitcoin is the superior asset and reserve currency. It only goes up in value compared to every other asset. So, Japan's getting into it. We got Argentina explores Bitcoin regulations with El Salvador. So, Argentina, there was another one that, let me see if I can find it. No, that's Thailand. Okay, but yeah, we got Argentina, you know, teaming up with El Salvador that regulate Bitcoin. I guess, right? So we got BlackRock's IBIT overtakes Grayscale's GTC or BTC, my bad. Holy. So we got BlackRock's ETF overtaking Grayscale's ETF. Yeah, it was about time, So basically, BlackRock has way more money than Grayscale and every other company, so no wonder they overtook it. And yeah, it's just about time. We got Coinbase files new document claiming sex actions aimed at crushing crypto. Who would have guessed that the SEC was trying to crush crypto? Because the SEC stands for obviously the United States and their dollar, so they would clearly be trying to annihilate crypto because it's a revolution. Like literally, it's a groundbreaking, not just technology, but literally a currency. So, and then yeah, we got Thailand. SEC approves first spot Bitcoin ETF. So we got Thailand getting into Bitcoin, well, officially and legally, right? Um, for spot Bitcoin ETF. So they're going to be buying physical Bitcoin and holding it. So yeah, it was about time. And yeah, so it's not about Bitcoin, but a spot XRP ETF would make a lot of sense. It says Ripple President Monaco Long. Uh, sure. Sure, it's probably gonna happen, right? But like, who cares about XRP? Bitcoin is the king. It always will be. XRP holders will make some money, like I don't have that much, so I don't really care if it goes up, like literally. Uh, but yeah. And whoops. So yeah, I could just show you this. I opened a little long at 69K. Nothing too big, just it was like 20 bucks. So up a little bit, low leverage. And yeah, we'll be adding to this if we do dip more, but it doesn't look like we're gonna dip anytime soon this week, honestly. But I'll just be looking out for this, adding more if we go long, or if we go down, longing more if we go up, and it doesn't look like we're gonna go down. But managing my risk, not going all in with too high leverage, and yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this video. So basically, yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.